Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily zoom in or zoom out in your Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to View, right at the top left corner of your screen, and here click on the zoom out or zoom in. So here you got a choice. You guys can also use the Control plus or minus. So as you guys can see, it also works, and that's basically what you guys can do. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.